Hey everyone, another quick reminder to email me at hairpalaceguide@gmail.com, hairpalaceguide@gmail.com. Let me refer you and you'll get a nice special offer. You'll get some money taken off your treatment when you do it. Okay, so last time you see me with long hair, and I'll explain why I got my hair cut prematurely. To be honest with you, I'm losing my hair at the back, and like the longer my hair was, I actually looked like had less hair, if that's possible. Um, like fantastic in the front. I love the brushing my hair away from my eyes and stuff like that. But the part where I didn't get treated, which is the top of my head, which is losing hair a lot. Which when all this COVID-19 bullshit goes away, I'm gonna have to book another consultation, or I might just actually wait till it gets a bit more, bald. So yeah, so I cut my hair, and I'm actually better for it. I just love, like, it's really thick. Like when I'm even the part where it's thin, it's kind of thick. I use a Alpecin shampoo. Kind of helps as well. Uh, there's nothing really else to report except thanks for a lot of you who have been watching these videos and emailing me and emailing me your details and giving me, so that I can refer you. Some of you got referred, some of you have contacted me saying that you've been referred and stuff like that. And so listen, thank you, because it works both ways. The rewarding works both ways. So I'll get money off my next treatment. You get money off your treatment. So it all works out. There's nothing really else to report except this COVID-19 thing is just kind of, I don't think you can go anywhere or do anything, especially with the Hair Palace. I don't know what their policies are. Maybe they're still, taking patients and being very careful, but we'll see. The news is that there is an office opening in London pretty soon. I'm pretty sure there's going to be one opening here in Ireland. So either way, so just let me refer you, and you'll be able to talk to them about it then. And I know most of the videos is taken up with me getting you to, let me refer you. But I can't stress it enough. Before you even contact Hair Palace, contact me first, okay? I'm trustworthy. I wish I could give you the names who people have contacted me, but I can't. I respect their privacy. They respect my privacy. Well, I don't have a privacy because I'm doing this video. Sorry for the delay. I'm supposed to get back to you 2 months ago with a video, but I just keep getting sidetracked, and there's a lot of things going on in my life. So next one hopefully will be the end of November. I'm going to really try but there's nothing really else to report. I'm just going to be on the air making a video asking you to refer me, or let me refer you, and basically showing you what's going on with my hair. I'm getting a lot of emails saying that I'm not really stressing with my hair, it's just me talking. So I'm going to show you. So if I bend down, you'll see the part there where I'm losing right here, but up where I got treated, it's so thick, it's so thick. I really like it. You can pull at it and all that stuff, isn't it? As I said, I don't know, a couple of videos back where you see people and they're going like that, and you see my hair is nice, and but look, I'm pulling. Strong, trust me on that. So, and I don't know, it looks better when I have short hair. I'm sorry, but I've gotten a lot of compliments with short hair rather than with long hair. So I'm gonna leave the long hair until I get, like, probably this next treatment and probably another treatment. I'm going to probably end up getting 3 treatments, yeah, 3 implants, you know. So I have the one in the front done. I'm pretty sure that this part here is going to go next. So that's where I'm going to get next. And then I'm going to get my third one. I'm just going to get filler. Going to make this all thick. So that's my plan, you know. Your plan, whatever, here. And believe me, they've treated people who are bald, you know. I have a friend of mine who was asking me about, you know, the hair polish and all that stuff. Now, this is somebody who wasn't into it before, and now starting to think about it. So, look, anybody can get it done, but I recommend you get it done. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Okay, that's what we're playing. That's what we're dealing with here. And trust me, if it gives you, it does give you a new lease of life. You're like kind of, you feel younger. You do feel younger. You look younger. I do recommend it. I cannot stress it. Look, the place is amazing. Like, you're thinking, okay, it's Hungary. Oh no, Hungary is one of the best places I've ever been to, and I was afraid going there. I was like, oh my god, this place is going. No, complete opposite. Fucking way better than Dublin. It's probably up there, one of the best cities I've ever been to in Europe. And yeah, I can't stress it enough. You're gonna love the place, and the hair palace. The people there are amazing. You know, you hear me saying this millions of times, but I'm telling you, you gotta trust them. You gotta trust me. I'm telling you, you will thank me. And I've gotten a lot of thank you emails. You know, I've gotten a lot of thank you emails. I was like, just like, you know what? Thank you, Paul. Thanks, you're the best. I don't know how, like, but your videos has helped me, and that's all I want to do is help you. I'm spreading the word because it helped me. I'm spreading the word so it'll help you. You know, we both have something to gain out of it. I'm not doing it for a fucking advertisement or anything like that. I'm just doing it because if it helped me, it's going to help you. And a lot of people are afraid about getting implants, and I'm like, no, I don't want to get implants. Don't want to get this. What happens if they fall out, or what happens after a couple of years? But listen, I don't know how many years has gone past now. My hair's still going strong. Strong being the opulent word here, and I just feel good, great. I'm looking at old pictures of me, and I can't believe I hadn't done it sooner. Well, I'm glad I haven't done it sooner. The technology hadn't really been there. You had the other one, the FUE is the one I got, and then there's FUT, I think, is the other one. The one where they take strips of your hair. Yeah, I've heard horror stories about that. So maybe it was the universe telling me then it was my time to get it done. And this FUE thing where they extract the hairs and then they individually place them back without you feeling a goddamn thing. You're getting treated like a prince. You're getting fed. You have your own. You get your own apartment, not hotel room. Let me stress that up. You get your own apartment while you're there. It's so close to the city. It's 3 stops. I think it's 3 or 4 stops outside the hair palace. Right, so you walk from your apartment, straight road. Bang, the end of the road is the hair palace. You go in, or you get the tram right outside the hair palace into the city. 4 stops. 4 stops back. Safe city. Unbelievable. So I'm going to try and make this an even 10 minutes. So I'm just going to ramble on, talking about how the place is great, how the food is great, the movies that you'll watch when you're getting your hair done. But you won't. You'll fall asleep. I fell asleep a couple of times, as I mentioned in the video. It's that nice. It's someone playing with your head. You go into a barber and you're getting your hair cut and you get that feeling where, you know, when they're snipping the back of your neck and you get that kind of tingling feeling. That's what it's like. That's what it's like. And you're like, really? This is supposed to hurt? But okay, it hurt, like 1 or a bit 2 times it did hurt. It was like kind of like a pinprick. I was like, okay. It wasn't like, Jesus fucking Christ. But anyway, that's the new video. Hope you liked it.